Alright guys, so in today's video I want to show you how you can forward mails that are sent to a webmail to get to your Gmail or to any other email platform. So let's say, for example, I have a webmail which is contact@emailbank18.com, and I don't want to always log into the webmail. I want to receive whichever mail or whatever mail is sent to that webmail. I want to receive the mail directly to my Gmail, so I don't have to be logging in all the time to my webmail online. So this is how you can do it from your cPanel dashboard. Alright. So first thing you want to do is from your cPanel, you log into your cPanel, and then if you've not created an email account, you come to this place and you click email account to create an email account. Alright. So, but let's say you already have an existing email account, right? From your cPanel here, from your cPanel, you just go to forwarders. So the next you want to do is you want to click on add forwarder. Then from add forwarder, you want to type in the webmail you want to forward the mails from. So my webmail is contact at, so I'll just put with their contacts. The at is already here. Then I'll select the domain name, which is contact. This is contact@emailbank18.site. So I want to forward it to my Gmail address. So any mail that comes to contact@emailbank18.site will be forwarded to emailbank185@gmail.com. So after I've input the Gmail address here, or maybe your Outlook address or any other email address that you have. Once you put it here, then you want to click on add forwarder. So after clicking on that, it will tell you that all mails sent to contact@mailbank18.site will be forwarded to mailbank185@gmail.com. So that's it. So anytime someone sends you an email to that your webmail, it will be automatically sent or forwarded to your other Gmail address. Right? So you have a copy in your webmail and you also have a copy in your Gmail address. So that's it, guys. That is how you can forward emails from a particular webmail address to your Gmail or other email addresses that you have. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.